Wildfire smoke is a serious health risk that many people around the world face, and one that many become exposed to in their own homes. Commercial filtration systems are often expensive and inaccessible to many. This is where the Rutgers Nasa Research Initiative Clean Air device comes into play. PM 2.5 particles are defined as particles or droplets that are 2.5 microns in diameter or smaller. These particles are especially dangerous as they are more likely to stay aloft in smoke plumes, and when they do enter the respiratory system, they are absorbed and deposited in the lungs or trachea, where they can cause serious harm and lead to future health problems. The Clean Air device introduces smoke from the room into the device through the use of a fan capable of producing a flow speed of 80 cubic feet per minute. This device is broken up into two phases. Phase 1 is a Venturi-style wet scrubber that introduces the particles into a cylinder where a cyclonic flow is mixed with 3 to 7 micron water droplets being sprayed from the top nozzle. The flow of these particles and water droplets is directed towards a converging section to increase the chances of mixing. The larger of these particles, PM10 and above, will be captured in this phase and deposited in the bottom reservoir. Those uncaptured in Phase 1 will have been made larger by embedding themselves in the water droplets and carried to Phase 2. Phase 2 employs the use of droplet capture through impaction. There are cylindrical arrangements of vertical 100 micron steel wires. They provide 2 layers of coverage with the inner ring rotating to ensure an effective full coverage area. This rotation is driven by a low power, continuously running servo. The water droplets with embedded particles enter Phase 2, where they collide with the vertical wire mesh and begin to slide down, entering the dirty water recycling stream. The captured particles are then transported and connected with the dirty water reservoir of Phase 1. An activated carbon filter is used to clean the water and has a rated operational life of 6 to 10,000 gallons, meaning much fewer maintenance. The flow is driven by a water pump capable of pumping water through the nozzles in Phase 1 and drawing the dirty water flow towards the filter. This now clean water is then pumped back up towards the nozzles to continue the filtering cycle. The Clean Air device is able to cycle through 60% of PM 2.5 particles every 15.5 minutes, equating to an overall 85% efficiency at cleaning PM 2.5 particles in 1 hour. The Clean Air device can cycle through all the air in a 12 by 12.5 by 8 foot room 3 times over in a 1 hour operating interval. The RNRI team is comprised of a diverse group of future innovators that are looking to put our knowledge and skills to the test by trying to develop solutions to complex problems. With this low-cost and easily accessible Clean Air device, we believe that the health and safety of thousands of people can be better ensured.